So it's another part of the try on. It's another part of the try on. And did I go to the thrift today and get more shirts and pants? Maybe. But it was only one shirt and one pair of pants, so not too much.
So this is what the clothing stack is currently looking like.
So it's been about a week since the last part of this closet clean out that I filmed. Also, I'm wearing the same shirt, but not too much. Like, it's been a week. It's clean. I just wear this shirt a lot. Also, look at my new watch. So pretty. Anyway, we're gonna be trying on all of my t-shirts in this part of the video, and I'm not excited, not at all. But I'm not really gonna say anything during the try on. I like film after how I feel about the clothes. That way I can just try them all on, watch Grey's Anatomy, and not have to worry about it. I just really don't want to. And it was all laying on my floor, but I was stepping on so many hangers and breaking so many hangers, so I decided to move it all into a pile over there. And of course I put the t-shirts on the bottom, like the thing that I need the most often. So I've been like literally digging in the pile, like ripping shirts out, trying to like lift up all the hangers, all that for work every day. And it's just not, I don't want to do another week of it. So we're gonna get through the t-shirts because I'm not doing it anymore. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm turning off the AC only for the intro because it is 89 degrees. Feels like a million, but I believe we're going through more shirts. I don't really remember, but I'm trying on everything in my closet. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2, I believe this is part 3. Yeah, go check those out. I'll have them linked in the description, but that's what we're doing. I'm going to be going through and telling y'all a bit about each of the pieces, because when I was trying these on, I had so many to go through that I was not going to talk about them while I was trying them on. If you've seen the other parts, you get the gist. There'll be me up in the corner talking. Yeah. Anyway, that AC is going back on and we're getting into... Hold on. Okay, cool. So, none of my clips are loading, but... yeah. See y'all in a minute. Turn that back on, please. I'm dying. This first shirt is one of my favorites. I got it from H&M. It's just like a cream color, kind of like Skims top, but it's from H&M. I will say it pills real bad. I got like some oil on it. I was trying to like, you know, or not oil, like deodorant, and do like the like fold the shirt, do that. It peeled like the whole front of it. So I will say that part does kind of suck a bit, but the shirt's real cute. Okay, and it fits so good, and it's much cheaper than Skims. But I do need to buy either a new one of these. I don't even know if they sell them at H&M anymore, or get a Skims one. Also, it's a little bit see-through, but like, I never stop nobody. But yeah, it just fits real nice. I love the color. I love that it's an off-white. That's all I have to say. Like, I look really hot in it. Like, sorry. Next is a Reebok shirt that I got from, I believe, Forever 21 when they did a collab with Reebok. But it is so cute. It's just like kind of like a vintagey, style-y, I don't know, like Letterman, whatever. It's real cute. You see it. But I don't know what 58 means, if they were like founded in 1958. I don't know. But I will say it is stuck on my belly button ring, and the tag is out in the back. That is a reoccurring theme throughout all of these. The tags will be out because I'm like, you know, putting them on, taking them off. So sorry about that. But yeah, the shirt's real cute. It's a little too cropped for my liking. I like a crop like the last one where it's like just above, you know, the pants line. This one's a little too cropped, but still very cute. Next we've got, this is actually a shirt from Hobby Lobby in a 5T. Yeah, if you guys go to like the baby shirt section, they have really cute crop tops. If you're a size small, have similar measurements to me, about a 31 around. I have very broad shoulders. These fit well. They are, again, a little more cropped than my liking, but of course they are for a child, so yeah. This is actually one that I made. I plan on bead embroidering it like my other bead embroidered shirt, which you will see probably later in this video. Really good material, yeah. Next is another favorite shirt. I'm gonna be saying that for a lot of these. Like, it's my clothes, of course they're my favorites. I got this one online a long time ago, like back when I was living in Florida. It was this website that was like low-key kind of sketchy, but a lot of clothes I've seen that I liked were from there. I would not recommend buying from the store. I don't even remember the name of the shop, but this is one of my favorite t-shirts. Like, it just feels so smooth. Like, the print on it and the t-shirt is so soft and it's so cool. Like, look at that, like little monster bug lady. Like, she is so dope. I love this shirt and I can never wear it to work because I'm scared the face is gonna get messed up, and it hasn't. I put it through the wash and dryer and it doesn't get messed up, but it's so cute. It's one of my favorites. Like, I love the print on it, and I wish I could find more shirts like this, kind of like grungy. That's what I was into the most when I was like 19, 20, more grungy aesthetic, and this was perfect for that. And the color's so cute. Like, I get compliments on this shirt a lot, and baby, I don't know where it's from. You guys are just gonna see this pile slowly dwindle and I'm so excited for that. Next is another favorite, yeah, because it's Henley chocolate. I got this back when I was in high school, I believe. I was real into big oversized. Now I just like a cute little oversized, but like, as you can see, like, I just put on the biggest shirts ever and they don't really flatter me. Sorry, I like to cover my body, but it's so cute. I love the purple. I love that he's just so hot on there, and I'll give him a kiss for you. You know. And I forgot to mention, this is also a mukbang because it is lunchtime and Liv only has 15 minutes left. So if you hear me crunching and I'm munching, mind your own business. Or maybe you like that. So, like, I don't know. It's up to you guys. Yeah. Next, another favorite. I swear there's some in here that I don't like. I just put on a lot of my favorites. This is a shirt I got at, I believe, my second summer smash. It's another one that people like just want to know where I got it. Like, it is so freaking cute. The lemon, the words, like, you can't even barely read it, but like, it just looks like an old band tee. Like, I love this one. I love the colors. I love the pattern. I love all of it. Okay. And I love Summer Smash. I didn't go this year. It is actually happening this past weekend, I believe. So hot in Illinois. It is so hot this weekend in Illinois. So I'm kind of glad I didn't go. I went to the pool and even got burned. Like, and I don't burn, baby. I apply, I reapply, but I was only there for 2 hours and I was like, I don't need to reapply. Like, I haven't been here that long. Girl, no. Anyway, it would have been super hot. Also, there wasn't really like many performers that I really like wanted to see, and apparently NLE Choppa didn't perform, and you know that's my man. But Northwest was there and that would have been cool to see. But regardless, I got the shirts from I went 4 years. I only got shirts 3 years because the last year's, it was like some racing. It just wasn't that cute. Oh, and the back is super cute too. It's got like the van on the back and, you know, but the front is where it's at, baby. Okay. Next is just I believe this is a John Galt shirt from Brandy Melville. I have this in many colors. I have it in green, red, gray. You'll see those pop up later. They just fit really cute. I like the way they fit a bit more when I was in high school, and that's why I have 3. I think I have 4 actually. 4. I have a brown one as well. I don't love the way they fit as much, or like the material. It's a very heavy material, but they're still cute, like whatever. And it's another one that I wish was a little less cropped than it is, but I digress. Also, I said it was from Brandy Melville. It was from PacSun. Next, this shirt I don't wear as much anymore just because there are like little holes forming in them, but it's this really cute tie-dye. I love the black instead of just like a regular white tie-dye. Like, it's kind of inverted. Like, the black was was put onto a shirt that was already swirly. I don't know, but it's super cute. I got this, I believe it was off of Depop. It could have been Poshmark. I think it was Depop though, but it's just super cute. I love it. I do need to sew up those holes though, so, but there's like so many. I don't know what to do. Next is I got this in high school. I don't remember if it was sophomore year or something, but it was another one of those like, I like big shirts. But this shirt is also from PacSun, from the men's section. It is just a Guess shirt, blue and yellow stripes, like you see it. I get compliments on this one also a lot. It's another huge shirt, but super soft, super light, cute. Next is an Arizona top, and I will not be keeping this one. I have not been saying if I kept or got rid of these shirts. Also, just so you know, I kept all the shirts that I've talked about previously. This one I did get rid of. It is an Arizona t-shirt. It's super cute. It's too see-through. I also just don't wear it that much. Like, it's cute though, but like, yeah, I don't know, it wasn't cute enough to keep. I like the v-neck on it. I don't usually wear v-neck shirts, but it is like a really nice fitted top. I remember my friend wore it once we were either in elementary school or middle school, and I had no curves. I still have no curves, and she wore it and I was like, oh, it looks so much better on you. Okay. You know, just kind of made me feel down, whatever. This next one, I believe I also got rid of. It is just I'm not sure if it was from Charlotte Russe, or it looks like American Eagle maybe. It just had that white lettuce trim, which I don't love. And the shirt just, it's cool. It's just not that cool. It's like also not a tone of yellow. I'm more goldy yellow. Looks good on me. This is more like a gray yellow. I'm not liking it as much. Yeah. I looked really good in yellow, and so it's surprising that I got rid of so many yellow shirts, but they just weren't like, you know, they weren't doing it for me. I got rid of a lot, and yellow just so happened to be the lot. This is a Harley Davidson shirt. I wish it fit more like the Arizona shirt. It's a little bit looser, but I got this when I was in elementary school when my grandpa and grandma took me to the Harley Davidson store, and they were probably buying a bike, and I just got a shirt because they left me. Like, yeah. But it is a little bit see-through, but it does have that large logo, so it kind of covers, you know, where it needs to. Super cute. I just kept it mostly because, one, I don't have any orange shirts, and two, like, my grandpa and grandma got it for me. Like, yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I'm back. Big Pluto, girl, like, what the freak? And you know we deepest freak, girl. Another John Galt shirt. What did I tell you guys? Also, hey, this one's just in red. I kept it because it's nice to have a red shirt. That's all I gotta say. This Van shirt is such a pretty blue, but it ends up with like purple stains on it all the time, and I don't know how, because none of the other laundry will have purple stains on it, so I don't know what's going on with this one. But I did keep it as a pajama shirt because it is so cute. Oh, sorry, this is probably loud. It is so cute, but like, I don't wear it during the day. I'll wear it to work out or to sleep in. I kept it. Oh, and it's from probably Zoomies. Honestly, I had a big Zoomies phase. Okay. I remember freshman year of high school, I was in Spanish, and I had it with, you know, upperclassmen, and there were these two boys that dressed like had trippy red shirts and like Vans and skinny ripped jeans, and like I stole my whole flow from them. Okay. Started listening to Trippie Redd. Love Trippie Redd, my favorite artist. Anyway, got the Vans, got the ripped jeans. Like, I was them. I was giving California white boy summer. Like, yeah. Anyway, this Hollister shirt is probably from middle school. I have a really cute picture. Like, me and my sister went to this cafe where you can like write your name on the wall. We went and did that, and like it was so Tumblr vibes. Like, it was so good. I'm gonna try and find it and put it here. Like, tell me I'm not giving like Tumblr icon, like the hair, the Hollister shirt with the roses, the filter I put on it, like, it's eating. Next, this shirt is definitely from Charlotte Russe, I can tell you that much. I believe it was Kalia's before it was mine. Again, with the lettuce trim. Don't love it. It's like candy cane vibes. I kind of like this shirt. Like, I like the idea of it, but like the execution is just not there. It's so thin. Yeah. This next shirt is gonna be actually a shirt that's supposed to be Skyly's for Christmas, and then I never ended up seeing her, and so I just kept it. I don't wear it though. It's just like a Care Bear. I don't remember if I kept it as pajamas. I might give it to Caitlin. I don't know. It's from PacSun again. It's actually a really pretty blue. I don't like the neckline on me. It just looks, it's giving cheap. Like, it's kind of like bunching in the wrong areas, but it is really cute. Like, it's much cuter than I remember it being. I'm still not gonna wear it, but it's cute. Next. Yes, I love this shirt. I wore this shirt on Mother's Day this year. This is actually a shirt from probably how old would my mom be if she was like 4? This is probably from like 1977. My mom got it printed at some amusement park. It might have been Disney, I don't remember, but it is her face with her name, Bobby Joe, on it. And I think this shirt is just so stylish. First of all, it smelled like the box that it was kept in. It was kept in like one of those like, hope hope chest. It was kept in one of those, and so it smelled like it was kept in there. But it is just so cute, and I love wearing it. My mom thinks it's hilarious every time I wear it. My friends will be like, is that your mom? Yeah, it is. I don't know. I think something is so chic about it. I love it, and I pair it with like this big skirt. Ugh, it eats. And my red tabby is like, ah! This is really one of my favorite shirts. Like, it's one of my prized possessions. Her face does get a little stretched out on it, you know, because it is a shirt for a 4-year-old. But I just kind of like, ugh, readjust every so often.